In this video, I'll show you how you can change from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. So if you want to become an Uber driver where you drive people around in your car, instead of doing Uber Eats, here's how you can request that. So what you want to do is just open up a browser and then go to search for switch from Uber Eats to Driver. So then here you have a link by Uber that says switch to driving with Uber, and this is specifically for people that are currently doing Uber Eats. So from here, just click on contact support to switch, and then you will need to sign into your account. So you can see it says I want to drive with Uber. Then down here it says if you are a driver partner who wants to switch to Uber Eats deliveries, click on that link. If you are a delivery person who wants to switch to a new vehicle type, click on the second link. However, if that is not what you want to do, just scroll further down, and then here it says I want to switch to UberX or taxi. So go ahead and toggle that on, and then you need to read and understand all the requirements, so you can see some of those right here. Then you can also choose if you want to change city and then enter the city, and then click submit. And then it will say please note that taxi is currently only available in Victoria, but that is just for my account. But what you want to go and do is just submit that form, and then after that they will know that you want to switch to UberX or taxi, and they will then reach out to you about what kind of car you have and stuff like that. So that's how you can change from Uber Eats to becoming an Uber driver. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.